there are always people like Meenakshi and Madhuri, because when a speaker is speaking, they are listening to him, but they are looking at her. These are also very fortunate days of late, that in cricket, we have done a miracle. We have won twice against Pakistan. Nothing more we could have achieved, because when we win against Pakistan means ultimate. And in cricket, of course, our Chief Minister is also involved. He has been steering it. And I can tell you that I do not know about cricket, but in the field of his own activities, he is one of the finest bowlers we have. Equally good news was that after a long suspense, Sukhram landed in Delhi. And the foreign media was very surprised that when this man landed, everybody thought he would be sad. He landed with a big smile and a lot of following, as if he is going for some yatra, which will be perhaps Tihar jail. So I'm just saying that these are all good things that happen. That means the people are accountable, people are important, and this is the strength of this country. But we are, fortunately, in a state which, according to me, is the finest state in the country. There is no question about it. And in that we have a city like Mumbai, which is, according to me, the city of vitality. There cannot be anything better than that. And to guide it, and today we have three leaders who are sitting here on the dais, who are right now ruling. According to me, that's the finest combination we have seen for a long time in this state. It's not important whether they give you a convention center or not. What is important is that they have recognized the strength of Priyadarshini and the amount of effort Nanik Rupani has put up in this. Every time we have a tendency of giving a lot of credit to Nanik Rupani, forgetting that Geeta Rupani and his family is really the strength of Nanik. And we should all applaud Mrs. Rupani and the family. When Sri Manoj Joshi became the Chief Minister, this publicly I must say, people asked me, what do you think of him? I said that thank God he is not a politician, but he is going to be a Chief Minister of a statesman type. Because the politician only thinks of today, it's the statesman who thinks of tomorrow. So I have no hesitation that Priyadarshini's academy will come up. My visualization was, in fact I remember, every time we used to meet here, we used to discuss this subject from the dais. Earlier the other cabinet ministers were here. This time it is this cabinet, some of the ministers are here. In fact, thank God they are all here, because today I am sure Sachivalaya is working much smoother. Because more they are out, better it works. But the point still remains that what we need for Priyadarshini is a kind of an academy where we have a research done, where we have the training courses, we have a large hall. And when we talk about convention center, I think we are going into far longer perspective. It's going to be much more expensive. What Mumbai city needs is 4 or 5 large auditoriums that will accommodate 5,000 to 7,000 people. One of them should be handed over to Priyadarshini. Knowing their strength, I have no hesitation that I can write on this stage guarantee that if such a place was given, and it is land, let us be very honest, it has to be a land given to this autonomy. And I can assure on behalf of Nanik Rupani and all of us who are supporting him, that within 2 years, that auditorium will be ready. Priyadarshini, that particular Sanmukhanand sir, for last 7 years, they are doing a tremendous job of that place. They are making it with such solid foundation that it has only come up to the first floor level. I think every day a few bricks are added. And then they want to find out whether this will burn or not burn. But that's all that they have done. Now why should the city be robbed of such premises? We should get an access to it. We must as citizens demand from this government, which is an action-oriented government, thank God for it, I know Pramod, I know Manoj, I know Mr. Munde. These are all action-oriented people. Let us as people say, we guarantee to support them, provided they do for the city. The most needed thing is the 4 auditoriums. If this is done, our this afternoon's meeting will be very good. Because this is a very pathetic situation that everyone who comes here first is concerned about his chair. And you must have noticed here that those who got chair dare not get up from there. It will be like Parliament, they will lose it immediately. So I'm only trying to say, sir, that this academy gives very wisely the awards. It organizes these functions. It is Rupani family and his committee members, whom I know all of them personally, have done a tremendous job. But I have a feeling that this time the combination is going to work. The rulers and those who are ruled are going to jointly work so that this city will become the envy of not only India, but envy of the world. Thank you.